What's up, everybody? I'm out here fishing this fine morning for lake trout. Just jigging off the bottom. Got my sonar here, so I'm gonna see what we can get. Look at these beautiful clouds. Such a nice morning. Oh no! Oh, it popped off right there! Oh dang. There were a few down there, so I'll try again. Just gonna drop this spoon back down. Got something here from shore. And I took a couple casts and I caught this little guy. Let's see what it is. Little rainbow. Pretty little guy. Alright, we're on. Jigging right on the bottom in 70 feet. Got something big. Or maybe not huge, but something good. I'm using this heavy ice rod. It's just easier to jig from a float tube with a shorter rod, so let's see if we got a laker. Yep, there it is. A nice laker. Cool. I love it. Caught it on that big bucktail jig. Look at that. Oh, there goes the fish. Can still see it. Maybe I can grab it. Nope, he's gone. That's alright. We'll get another. That's awesome. Yeah, that jig. It's working great. Giant monster mustache minnow. Got a big mark on the screen down there, around 70 feet. Just gonna drop my jig down there and see if I can get it to bite. I need to tie some of these heavier. This thing's not sinking as fast as I'd like it to, but hopefully that mark will stay there. It's a windless day today, so I can stay in one spot at least. There's another mark. You can see how slow my jig is falling. Hopefully these fish will be fighting over the jig when it gets too close. Let's see. A couple of them are dropping down to the depths. Looks like they all are now. Come on. Oh. Coming up. Okay, I'm gonna run away. Okay, I gotta drop it back down. They were interested. Fish on. This lake has a lake trout and bull trout, so I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure it's a lake trout, but you never know for sure. Ooh, that's a good one. That's a nice laker. Yeah, beautiful. This time I'll grab the fish first instead of unhooking it, so we can actually see it. That's a good 26, 27 inch Laker. He's hooked. Oh no! I was just saying he's hooked good. Dang, that sucks.